Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve the exercise sheet number 10. It is in English 2. Okay, mistakenly it has been written English 1. But yes, it is English 2. Okay, exercise sheet number 10 in English 2. How creatures move. Okay, it is poem number 10 only. The last poem of our syllabus. Okay, so let us solve it only. Question 1, choose the correct option. First is the worm dash around. Okay, जो worm होते, जो कीड़े होते, वो क्या करते हैं? Wiggles around, swings, hops or dances. Okay, so here the correct option is wiggles. ठीक है, वो टेढ़े मेढ़े चलते होते हैं. Wiggle means टेढ़ा मेढ़ा चलना. So yes, जो कीड़े होते, वो टेढ़े मेढ़े चलते रहते हैं यहाँ से वहाँ. Second question, dash can dive and swim. So who can dive and swim? Seals, lion, monkey and birds. So the correct answer is seals. Okay, seal is a kind of an aquatic animal only. ठीक है, so yes, seals. Then the third is birds hop upon the ground, stone, both A and B means ground and stone both and none of this. So the correct answer is ground only. जो birds होते हैं वो ground के ऊपर hope करते. Hope means यहाँ पे walk also and jump also. Okay, now question number 4 is dash can walk and run. Okay, कौन चल भी सकता है और दौड़ भी सकता है? So here the options are fish and seal. So yes, these two cannot walk or run. Squirrel and snake. Squirrel and snake also cannot walk and run. Okay. Snake तो नहीं आ सकता. Squirrel can walk. It is okay. Squirrel can walk and run. But here the snake has been given. So यहाँ पे पूरा ऑप्शन गलत हो जाएगा. Snail and rabbit. So snail also cannot run. Snail आपने देखी है ना? वही वाली snail. Okay. Then boys and girls. Okay, so here the correct answer is boys and girls. Okay, chalo, now we are moving towards question number 2. Match the following. So here you can see that the creatures name has been given. Okay, जो creatures है, जो अलग अलग तरीके के अपने animals and birds है, उनका नाम दिया हुआ है. And here the way they move that has been given. So you have to match it only. Okay, let us see. Now, first is lion. So you know that what the lions can do. Okay, so the lions can walk. Okay, in that poem, in the textbook, it has been given walk only. So E is the correct option. Then squirrels leap. Okay, squirrels can leap. So here D is the option. Flies. So flies can crawl. So crawl is the correct option. That is F. Okay, seals. So seals can dive. Here the last option has been given. Dive लगा सकती है, वो कूद सकती है. So here G is the correct option. Okay, now worms. So worms can wiggle. हमने ऊपर ही लिखा है worms can wiggle. So here option A will be there. Okay, then birds. So you know that birds can hop. Here also we have written just hope. Okay, so B is the correct option. And monkeys, the last one, the monkeys can swing. Okay, so C is the correct option. Okay, so here lions can walk, squirrels can leap, flies can crawl. Okay, flies can crawl beta. Okay, then seals can G, that is dive. Worms can wiggle, birds can, B is the correct option, that is hope, and monkeys can swing. Okay, so these are the correct answers. Now question number 3, fill in the blanks with the words given below. Okay, so first is the lion walks on dash paws. Okay, so lion के जो paws होते हैं, जो पंजे होते हैं, वो कैसे होते हैं बेटा? Padded. Okay, I have just explained the same thing in the poem. So the same answer I am going to write, that is padded. ओके, गद्दी वाले होते हैं, उसके गद्दी जैसी होती है वहां पे नीचे. नाउ द वर्म डैश ऑल अराउंड. अगेन द आंसर कम वर्म दैट विगल. ओके, द करेक्ट आंसर इज विगल्स. Again, wiggles means टेढ़ा मेढ़ा चलना. Flies can dash straight up a wall, so it can crawl. So CRAWN, crawl. Okay, crawl means it is also a way of walking only. Okay, chalo, let us move to the next page. Now here, seals can dash and dash. Okay, so in the above page or in the like आगे के पेज में था दैट सील्स कैन, जो सील्स होते हैं वो क्या कर सकते हैं? दे कैन स्विम एंड डाइव. ओके, सो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट swim and dive, or dive and swim, both are the correct answer. Okay, now monkeys can the monkey dash by his tail, so the answer is the monkey swings. The option has already been given, बेटा आप देख लेना, ठीक है. swings, the monkey swings by his tail, वो अपनी tail से लटकते हैं. Now let us move to question number 4, make sentences. Okay, the first is walk. Okay, so now here you know that how you are going to write the sentences, and I have repeatedly said the same thing in the explanation also, that whatever answer you want to write, whatever sentence you want to make, you can make it, but the condition is that grammatically it should be correct and it should be meaningful also. Okay, so let us see that walk. So first of all, I have made the sentence, I walk to school every day. Okay, so I'm going to write it only. I walk to school every day. No doubt nowadays you are not coming to the school, but still I have made the sentence कि मैं हमेशा स्कूल चल के जाता हूँ या चल के जाती हूँ. Now second is leap. Okay, little calf does run and leap in field. Okay, so I have made the sentence, little calf, L-I-T-T-E-L-E, little calf does run and leap in field. ठीक है, मतलब जो लिटिल काफ है, काफ यू नो दैट ना, दैट किड ऑफ अ काउ, तो यस वो क्या करता है, दैट वो फील्ड जो है मतलब जो ओपन ग्राउंड है उसमें वो रन करता है, और लीप मतलब जंप करता है. ठीक है, और यू कैन लाइक इट इज अ वे ऑफ वॉकिंग ओनली बेटा. ठीक है. नाउ क्राउल, तो एनिमल्स ईदर स्विम और क्राउल. ओके, सो यहाँ पे 1 minute. Okay, so now the third word is crawl. Okay, so I am just writing the sentence, in a panic, comma, I began to crawl. I began to crawl toward the front door. Toward the front door. Okay, and full stop. Here what is the meaning of this sentence beta, कि जब panic situation होती है, panic means when we are just we can say that afraid of something or something some like dangerous event has come. Okay, जब कोई बहुत मुश्किल का समय होता है, so यहाँ पे he has written that I began to crawl toward the front door, मतलब मैं फ्रंट डोर के मतलब जो सामने वाला दरवाजा होता है वहां से निकलने की ट्राई करता हूँ. ओके, यहाँ पे क्राउल मीन्स, और मैंने बोला दैट दीज ऑल वर्ड लाइक क्राउल, वीगल्स, दे आर द जस्ट डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ वॉकिंग ओनली. ओके, चलो. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 इज स्विंग. ओके, सो स्विंग योर आर्म बैक एंड फोर्थ, एस कैपिटल. स्विंग योर आर्म back and forth. Okay, now what is the meaning of this, that while doing exercises or while doing or performing yoga, you might have heard these words or these sentence like swing your arm back and forth, मतलब अपना जो हाथ है वो आगे पीछे की तरफ हिलाओ. Okay, so that is the meaning of this sentence. Now hope, I like to hope from channel to channel when I watch TV. Okay, so here I'm going to write the sentence first and then we'll explain the same. I like to hope from channel to channel when I watch TV. When I watch TV. Okay, many of you or many of your parents are having the habit like while they are watching the TV, when ads come or when break comes, they just like shuffle the TV only, that shuffle the channel only. So that is the meaning. यहाँ पे hope means to jump. Okay, so I like to hope from channel to channel when I watch TV. मतलब जब मैं TV देख रहा होता हूँ या देख रही होती हूँ, तो जब मेरी ये आदत है कि मैं हमेशा चैनल से चैनल चेंज करती रहती हूँ. होप मतलब जंप करती रहती हूँ ऑन अनदर different channels. Okay, so that is the meaning. Okay, here CHE has been written, huh beta, CHENNEL, channel. Now let us move to the next question. Write true or false. The first is flies cannot crawl straight up a wall. Okay, so here यहाँ पे लिखा है no doubt flies can crawl straight up a wall. In your poem, in your sentence, in your poem it has been written that कि flies जो है वो सीधी दीवार पे चढ़ सकती है. Okay, but यहाँ पे लिखा है cannot. So as cannot has been given means this sentence is false only. So I'm going to write false. Then second is seals can dive and swim. So that is the correct sentence only. Okay, yes, seals can dive and swim. Now a worm can swing. No, worm can wiggles only, but यहाँ पे ऐसा लिखा है कि worm can swing. So it is false. Now the claws of lion are padded. मतलब जो क्लॉज होते हैं लायन के, ठीक है, वो पैडेड होते हैं. तो येस इट इज वेरी ट्रू सेंटेंस. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ट्रू ओनली. उसके जो पंजे होते हैं वो पैडेड होते हैं. तो हियर आई एम गोइंग टू राइट ट्रू. नाउ boys and girls cannot leap and dance. Okay, but you know that we can leap and dance also. Okay, हम लोग leap भी कर सकते हैं, dance भी कर सकते हैं, walk भी कर सकते हैं, run भी कर सकते हैं. But here it has been given like cannot. So here this sentence will become false statement. Okay, so I am going to write false. Okay, you can see that the first letter of each and every word should be capital. Don't forget that. And the same way you are going to write in the examination as well. Now question number 6 is answer the following questions. Okay, the first is how does a lion walk. मतलब जो lion है वो कैसे चलता है. So you know that what is the answer. The lion walk on its padded paws. ठीक है, उसके जो padded paws होते हैं. बेटा claws and paws both are the same words. हाँ, paws का मतलब भी पंजे और claws का मतलब भी पंजे. These two are the similar words only. So please don't mix with them. हाँ, चलो. How does a lion walk? So the lion walks on its padded paws. यहाँ पे a lion has been given, so I am going to start with a lion only. A lion walks on its padded paws and full stop. Now look at the formation of the sentence. As this question has been asked by using does. Okay, so it shows you the simple present tense, and you know that in simple present tense what is our practice. With singular noun, if the verb will come then we are going to add s or es after that word. तो यहाँ पे देखो बेटा does से क्वेश्चन शुरू हो रहा है. So that is why only लायन के बाद वाला जो एक्शन वर्ड है आई हैव एडेड एस ओवर देयर. ओके, वॉक का हो जाएगा. व्हाट इज द सिंपल प्रेजेंट फॉर्म ऑफ वॉक बेटा? वॉक्स. सो अ लायन वॉक्स ऑन इट्स पैडेड पॉज. ओके, चलो लेट अस मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वन. हाउ डज अ स्क्वीरल लीप. स्क्वीरल कैसे लीप करती है? सो अ स्क्वीरल लीप्स फ्रॉम लिम्ब टू लिम्ब. ओके, मीन्स फ्रॉम वन ब्रांच टू अनदर ब्रांच. सो लेट मी राइट इट. अ squirrel, here also singular has been given, so leap का हो जाएगा leaps in simple present tense. Leaps from limb to लिम्ब. ठीक है, टहनी, एक टहनी से दूसरी टहनी वो ऐसे लीप करती रहती है, चलती रहती है. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द थर्ड वन. हाउ डज द मंकी स्विंग. मंकी कैसे स्विंग करता है? तो द मंकी स्विंग्स बाय इट्स टेल. अपनी टेल के थ्रू वो स्विंग करता है. ठीक है, सो आई एम गोइंग टू राइट इट ओनली. द मंकी swings by its tail and full stop. Here also देखो बेटा does has been asked, does has been given, so swing का हो जाएगा swings. Okay, चलो question number 4. How do girls and boys express much more fun? नाउ जो गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज है वो अपना फन मतलब अपनी मस्ती कैसे एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो यस, बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स हैव द or we can say that boys and girls express much more fun because they can leap, dance, walk and run around. Okay, boys and girls boys and girls boys and girls express much more fun by leaping, dancing, walking, and running around. Okay, just check the spelling beta, because many of the students have written the running spelling incorrectly in the examination. Okay, RUNNING, this is the correct spelling. Okay, so yes, वो कैसे अपना बहुत सारा फन एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हैं और करते हैं, तो वो लीप करते हैं, डांस करते हैं, वॉक करते हैं, रन करते हैं, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग ईच एंड एवरी कैपेबिलिटीज. ओके, ऐसे बर्ड्स के जैसे नहीं कि सिर्फ और सिर्फ वो उड़ सके या तो फिर सेल कर सके. नो, इवन दैट जैसे दूसरे है जैसे वॉर्म्स आर दैट, सो वॉर्म्स जैसे वीगल्स करते हैं और कुछ नहीं कर सकते, कैन नॉट डांस, दे कैन नॉट लीप, दे कैन नॉट like we can say that walk. Okay, so this means they cannot run. So this way, so here we can say that boys and girls express much more fun by leaping, dancing, walking and running around. Okay, so that was your exercise sheet 10 in English 2, how the creatures move. Okay, chalo, bye bye beta.